Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create CentralStation CRM person from new Google Sheets tables row. So let's suppose I am running a marketing agency and collecting all my customer details in my Google Sheets tables, and then I am creating person in CentralStation CRM manually. So a new row represents a new person. So now I want that whenever I add a new row in the Google Sheets tables, it is sent to CentralStation CRM and the person is created automatically there. I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Google Sheets and CentralStation CRM. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Google Sheets, where the new row will be added in tables and this complete workflow will get triggered. And in my action application, I will take CentralStation CRM, where the person will be created automatically as soon as the new row will be added in Google Sheets tables. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create CentralStation CRM person from Google Sheets tables row. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets and CentralStation CRM with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on create workflow. And now it's asking for the workflow name. So let's name this as how to create CentralStation CRM person from Google Sheets tables row. And now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and I want to select Google Sheets automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create CentralStation CRM person from new Google Sheets tables row, which means whenever a new row will be added in Google Sheets, a person will be created in CentralStation CRM, which means whenever a new row will be added in Google Sheets tables, this complete workflow will get triggered. So our trigger application will be Google Sheets, and the trigger event will be new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is given to us, and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to my Google Sheets. This is my Google Sheets by the name Customer Details, and I have maintained this table which has first name, last name, phone number and email address. And now to make the connection, I need to click on extensions, click on add-ons, click on get add-ons. Here Google Workspace Marketplace has appeared in front of us, where we need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And it is showing installed because I have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, you have to follow the same process and make sure that you refresh your Google Sheets after installing. Now click on extensions, click on Pabbly Connect webhooks and initial setup. So this box has appeared in front of us, which is asking us to enter the webhook URL and trigger column. So under this, it's written you can get the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect workflow. So this is the same webhook URL which we were provided in our trigger step. So let's open Pabbly, and from over here, copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now I need to enter the trigger column. So it's written the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So over here, my final data entry column or the last column is column D, which means as soon as I add data in this column, the complete row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So over here, I will write D and click on submit. Setup configured successfully. Now let's go back to extensions, click on Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future is sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let's go back to Pabbly, and over here you can see waiting for the webhook response. So under this it's written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do task submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So as to get the response over here, I need to add test data in my Google Sheets. So let's open my Google Sheets and enter some dummy details over here. So let's say my first name is latest, my last name is user, my phone number is, and my email address is latest4@pablitudes.com. Now, as soon as I've entered data in this column, the complete row data would have been sent to Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly. And over here, we can see we have captured the response. Trigger column was column D. Spreadsheet name is customer details. Phone number is this. First name was latest. Last name was user. And the email address was latest4@pablitudes.com. This means Pabbly Connect is connected with Google Sheets, and now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. So we want to create person in CentralStation CRM. So our action application will be CentralStation CRM, and our action event will be create a person. Now click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection. And over here, I need to enter the API key. So it's written, enter the API key here, log into your CentralStation CRM account, navigate to settings, click on account settings and select manage external applications option, generate a new API key and paste it here. So let's open our CentralStation CRM account, and on the right hand side corner, we can see settings icon. We have to click over here and click on account settings. So over here, we can find an option of manage external applications. We have to click over here and click on create a new API token. So a new API key has been generated and we just need to copy this and paste it over here. So CentralStation CRM is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to enter all these details. So the first one is salutation, title, gender. I am leaving these fields blank because these are not required and needed for me to create person in CentralStation CRM. But if you have these fields in your Google Sheets tables, you can enter these details. Now I will enter the name using the process called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from my Google Sheets table. So over here, I will simply click on Google Sheets and map my first name as latest, then put a space and map my last name over here as user. I am leaving this first name field blank because I am going to put first name and the last name in this name field, which is required one. Next, I am going to leave these fields blank because these are not required and enter my phone number as this one and my email address as this one. Now I do not want to give any tag name, so I will leave this field blank. So mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received a new response. Now I simply need to click on save and send test request. And over here we can see we have received the response. We have got the person ID, person account ID and person group ID. Now we need to open our CentralStation CRM account and check whether this person has been created there or not. So here we can see we have created this person by the name latest user. The phone number was this, the email address was this. So let's go back to our Google Sheets and check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not by entering some other details over there. So let's say my first name is current, my last name is user, my phone number is, and my email address is current2@pablitudes.com. Now, as soon as I've entered data in this column, a person should be created in CentralStation CRM. So let's open our CentralStation CRM account. Let's refresh the page. And here we can see we have instantly created this person by the name current user. The phone number was this and the email address was current2@pablitudes.com. So to summarize this, we took Google Sheets as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We entered data in our Google Sheets tables and received the response over here, after which we took our action application as CentralStation CRM, where we made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered all these details with the help of mapping. Simply clicked on Save and Send Test Request and received the response as a new person created in our CentralStation CRM. So we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets and CentralStation CRM with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.